Hello, and thank you for joining me for this training video. Today we'll be covering the Dispose transaction for stock items. We'll also cover some configuration options, which are limited to customers with a standard or higher package and administrators. We'll start off by loading the Dispose transaction from the sidebar on the left. The transaction page has three distinct areas. There's the top info section, the button section, and the pending transaction section. The top info section is for the users to enter the reason why the item is being disposed. The pending transaction area is for the items being disposed. Simply select, scan, or type the item number into the Select Stock Item dropdown and input the quantity. For advanced item tracking, users will need to use the inventory ID instead of the stock item number. If the stock item is in multiple locations, the user will need to indicate which location they are disposing from. Before we hit the process button, let's take a look at the options here in the button section. We have the option to print a receipt. This option can be turned on and off in the system configuration by administrators. The administrators are also able to choose which report is being used as the receipt. If the transaction needs to be wiped prior to being processed, simply hit clear. Additionally, for customers with the standard or higher package, there is also a button to edit the form. This will allow the administrator to rename or make a field required. They can also choose to hide fields based on security levels. When the transaction is ready to be processed, hit Process. Once the transaction is ready, hit Process. Now that we've disposed of those items, we can look at the historical information in either the Dispose History or the Dispose History Report category. Thank you again for joining me for this video. Be sure to check out the rest of our training videos for any other questions.